Hey you guys, Amber J here from Best Bets Trades. Just coming on to give you guys an update on how we made out on Friday with Tesla and how you could have played it, as well as some Netflix and some levels that we can watch out for Netflix come Monday. Both of these stocks have earnings this week, so Tesla is on Wednesday and Netflix earnings is on Tuesday. I'm going to give you some levels for Monday to watch out for Netflix, and I'm just going to go over Tesla. Sorry, I have not been on this past week. Monday was Canadian Thanksgiving, and my son had a really bad ATV accident. He was in the hospital this week, so I haven't been able to be on to do my YouTube videos, but I'm back, and my son is home, and he is recovering quite nicely. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I haven't forgotten about you, and I'm back. So um, here is Tesla, and this is how we would have played it on the 5-minute chart. So we did get the sell signal in pre-market, and as you could see, it kept rejecting that sell line. So the sell lines are very strong resistance and very strong support, and it kept rejecting off of that sell line and was pushing down. The previous day high acts as support or resistance, depending on where the candles are. In this case, it was kind of acting as support, but it quickly broke down since all those EMAs were crossing to the downside at the same time. And that sell line acts as another form of resistance as well. So it's definitely turning to the downside. The MACD RSI was pushing to the downside. The squeeze indicator was cooling and turning to the downside, as well as the stochastic RSI was pushing to the downside as well. So this was a really pretty awesome play if you got into Tesla, and you could have rode that down. And it did not break the 9 all day. You could have rode that down all the way to probably 12:15. But in our Discord, when we're using Gundy strategy, it does work for longer plays as well. But we like to get in and get in and out within the first couple of candles. So we could have got in when it broke that 50 EMA and rode it down to the 200 and scalped a good profit, or you could have seen how it reacted at that 200 and held on for another drop. This would have been a phenomenal play, guys. So if you got into Tesla and wrote that down, congratulations to you guys in our Discord. So I'm going to go over Netflix because I know Scav in our Discord likes to play Netflix. So I'm going to kind of go over that one with him as with you guys as well. So I'm going to go over the hourly chart because um, I'm going to kind of give you a technical analysis on this one here. So on the hourly chart, it does look like it's pushing to the downside. So the MACD RSI is pushing to the downside. The squeeze indicator is pushing to the downside, and the stochastic RSI is pushing to the downside as well. But it is the 21 and the 50 are support as of now, but the 9 is just looking to cross the 200. If the 9 crosses through the 200, we could see more downside. But again, it's earnings this week, and I'm really not sure if it's going to go up due to earnings, a rally before the earnings, or if it's going to drop before the earnings. So I really don't know what the earnings are going to say. But we do have some news here that they did launch uh, a basic plan with ads at a cheaper monthly fee, so more people can afford or have a lower price point to play to watch Netflix. So they are catering to people with a lower price point, but they will have to watch the ads that are included in that. So that's kind of a bit of a technical analysis for Netflix on the 1 hour chart. I'm going to go over some call trigger and put triggers with you. So if you have a pen and paper handy, I'll go over that with you as well. So for Netflix, the call trigger I have at 231.32. The first price target is 233.48. The second price target is 234.49. The third price target is 235.61. And then we have a put trigger is 228.45. The first price target is 226.87. The second price target is 225.31, and the third price target is 224.14. So I just wanted to give you those levels. You can use those if you'd like. We will have call and put triggers in our alerts in our Discord. So if you're interested in joining our Discord, we are offering a 7-day free trial temporarily. So if you're interested in joining, you can join us free of charge and see if we're a good fit for one another. And you will have access to the alerts with the call and put triggers for Tesla as well come Monday morning. So if you'd like to click the link below, you can join us and you can be trading live on voice with us. We do this every single morning. Live voice call outs, lots of information going on in our chat, as well as the alerts with call and put triggers every single day in there that you can follow along. And as long as everything is pointing in the right direction, it's perfect opportunity to use Gundy's indicators. So Gundy's indicators help us determine whether it's currently trending up or trending down, and we know exactly when to get in and get out of these trades. So if you join our Discord, we do have video. I'll show you here. We have video lessons library here. So it goes over how to navigate our Discord, how to set up the custom indicators step-by-step plan, and as well as how to identify our A1 scalp setup. So if you watch all these videos, you'll understand how and what we look for. Gundy is available if you want to get set up, and you'd be trading with us as early as Monday morning. I hope you guys have a great evening, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow after market closes. Thank you. Have a good day.